Good day and good life for everyone. The dish that I'm going to share with you is a super quick and easy to cook seafood soup. And here are the list of ingredients. I have here sliced ginger, sliced onions, half of lemon, sliced tomatoes, green chilies, and my super seasoning. I also have here chicken broth cubes, black pepper, water, fish and shrimp. Then you can add salt as per your taste. And now I'm going to start cooking. I prepare one medium pot and I added 1 liter of water. Then I added here first the onions, tomatoes, and ginger. Then cover it and wait until simmering. Now it's already boiling, so I'm going to add other ingredients. Here 1 chicken cubes and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and also added a half tablespoon of my super seasoning. And then mix it well. I also add a fresh spicy green chili to add more spice and heat for this dish. And then the half of lemon. I think 1 tablespoon of lemon extract I get from this. Then taste the soup before putting the fish and shrimp if needed to add salt or fish sauce. It is because once you added this, it is delicate to mix. Fish might be smashed. I always add the shrimp first for 1 minute ahead, then gently add the fish. Reason why the flesh of this fish is soft and easy to be crushed. And then I add the last ingredients, this green chili. This is not spicy. And this will add more aroma on this dish. Smell yummy. The smell is all over my kitchen. I'm hungry. So this is my simple seafood soup. Actually, this is not only a dish for me, it's also my medicine. This soup can make me feel better when I feel sick. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone enjoyed this video. It is really my pleasure. If you have any feedback, please kindly comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.